Okay, so I'm at Horniman Circle, Asiatic Library. That's the landmark. You can see, and we're actually going to walk first of all around the Horniman Circle, and of course that's your Asiatic Library that you can see. And usually in the movies, this place, if you don't know, if you have seen enough Hindi movies, they depict it as a court. It's not a court, it's actually a library. The end of the Horniman Circle, although it's a circular shaped colonial style era building. It's a group of buildings, circular shape, and that's your Asiatic Society Library. So I'll just jump in to Horniman Circle, but let's just first of all enjoy the view. Okay, let's cross to the other side. Ooh. Let's keep moving. Yeah. Let's start off with the Horniman Circle tour. Let's go inside, I guess. Yeah. Okay. I think there's another shoot that's going on. And that's the Elphinstone building behind me. And we are actually going to Bombay High Court using this lane. And the reason that I'm using this lane is because this lane has beautiful buildings, architecture, colonial architecture, and that's what we are after. So let's go. And of course at the end of the lane is the Bombay Stock Exchange, but we cannot shoot over there due to security reasons. We're gonna have to take the right from here, and look at that. Awesome, right? And let's go. So you can see it is lined up with the restaurants and office buildings. I mean, yes, colonial buildings converted into offices for banks and corporate companies. So cool, right? This will actually connect us to the Flora Fountain. Look at that. Nice. Beautiful, right? Even this place is used for photo shoots, shooting. And that's your Bombay High Court. Actually, I have to go to Churchgate station. That's it for today.